Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to do something slightly different. Instead of doing a market analysis, I'm going to do a market review and show you some trades that I've taken today. Let's get started. Remember, if you trade in the USD pairs, you always need to look at the DXY beforehand. So the dollar index on the H4 indicated today, this morning, that it was at support. It was at this region here. Let me just zoom in. You'll see the DXY was approaching support. Why do we know it's support? Because you look to the left, you can clearly see where was a previous high low formed. Price rejected this and it went from a bullish to bearish, bearish to bullish, forming a high low. So when price was here this morning, I expected price to go down, retest the support and go up. So in this case, remember, if the DXY goes up, Euro USD and GBP USD is going down, so we're looking for sell trades. So remember, we're looking for sell trades. So on USD, Euro USD, I didn't feel as though there was any sell trades. There would have been one now, but obviously that's after 3 o'clock, so kind of sessions nearly over. London sessions finished around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, so I didn't enter the trade. However, if you go into GBP USD, you can see that I took a sell trade. I took multiple sell trades and unfortunately they did hit the stop loss a few times, but in the end I was profitable and I've actually closed the trade now because we're after 5 o'clock. So you see on M15 I entered one time here in the morning. I don't know why the square's not, I think it was in this candle here, had a stop loss hit again because my stop loss breached, it reversed, took me out. But then I thought, you know what, price is definitely going down because I could see the DXY was approaching support. It was around this region here where it was kept hitting my stop loss, but I knew it was just momentum was forming, and look, you can see it went up, so GBPUSD went down. So I got the trade here, entered in this candle, my stop loss was above here, above this lower high, so I was risking 14 pips to make 43 pips. However, price has closed. I end up closing it here, so I end up making 32 pips. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that in my trading journal. You need to always have a trading journal, just so you can track what you're doing, what your wins are, what your losses are, what you're potentially doing wrong. And it's just a track, it's just a diary of what you've done throughout the week, you know. So let me just put that in my trading journal. Perfect. So I made 30 pips here, which is fine. I obviously had a few repeat entries which hit stop loss, but I had enough breathing room for it to come back. And then on M5, I thought, you know what, I've closed this trade and I entered again on M5. I just thought, you know what, if it does go down, I bank my pips, 30 pips, and then I entered again here. But unfortunately, it hit my stop loss again, so I've lost 5 pips there. But it's potentially going down anyway, so yeah. Anyway, that was just a repeat entry that I tried, but obviously I know next time, don't bother. 30 pips is enough. Sometimes you shouldn't be chasing the market, you should be happy with your wins, and 30 pips for one day is enough. EURUSD, I've covered that. EG, let's see, I took a trade on EG but it hit my stop loss. We'll have a look on H1. I think I entered at M15, so I entered at M15 here. Why did I enter here? So this was support resistance. That would have been a better entry around 10 o'clock this morning, but I don't know how I missed that trade. I just don't think I was looking at EG for some reason. I was more focused on these pairs here. Yeah, I was. What time was that? 10 o'clock, yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't enter. I missed that. Should have entered earlier. But anyway, remember you close trade to the level or near the level, so my entry should have been here on this candlestick. Should have been here. And I would have been profitable. But I missed it. I left it late. It's formed a lower low. And I thought, you know what, it'll make a lower high to this trend line here, which it has. So it stopped me out. You can see the wick took me out, 7 pip loss. That would have been another entry. Could have made 12 pips, not great, but, and then obviously it's reversed back again. So I've lost on EG, but if I entered here, could have made 22 pips if this was my stop loss. Well, that would have been my target profit, so I could have made 30 pips on EG. Unfortunately, I entered late, so that's my own fault. So I'll go ahead and make a note of that. So 7 pip loss. This is what I do after the day. So I'll show you what I've done before the day starts. My market analysis. This is a market review. So this is what I do at the end of the day. So I've covered that. Let's see, UC, I also had a profitable trade on here. Why? Because it was at H4. UC kind of correlates with the DXY. It has a similar price action. So if DXY goes up, USD tends to follow, USDCAD. As you can see, I entered on beautiful trade on H4 support and a H1 support. Entered on this candlestick here on M15. Let's have a look. What a trade. Excellent trade. Let's see which H1 candle that is. Would have been this one here. Or even this one. One of them anyway. Risking 10 pips to win. That was my initial TP, 46 pips. However, price was reversing, so I just closed it at 32 pip win. Let's see on M15 when I was monitoring the trade. Yeah, I seen this reversal, and because I look to the left, there's a potential resistance here on the M15. I just closed the trade, but as you can see, price reversed and shot back up. But you know what? I'd rather win 32 pips than win 10 pips, because I know if I hit my stop loss, and that was my, if I increased my stop loss here, I only would have won 10 pips. So can't always complain. Obviously it would have been ideal if this was my winner of 45 pips, or even this one 60 pips, but it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Sometimes you enter the trade early, sometimes you enter the trade late. Could have been better, could have stayed in the trade, but I'm at work. I wasn't really actively looking at the chart, so yeah, still not bad. Sorry, if we're going to USDCAD, yeah, 32 pip win, wasn't it? So let me just make a note of that as well. And that is my trading done for today, guys. That is it. So yeah, I had a good trade on UC, good trade on GBPUSD, all those multiple entries, repeat entries I tried, and obviously a loss on EG, which still I'm in profit over throughout the day of approximately, I think it was 22 pips profit. So if you're trading £1 a pip, that is £220. And if you're trading £10 a pip, that's £2,200. So it's easy as that, guys. Hope you enjoyed my analysis. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.